Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now, plug into the Ptcl router or join its Wi-Fi, then open 192, 168, 1 in a browser. Log in with the admin credentials on the sticker or your custom login. Once logged in, go straight to the wireless clients or DHCP client list to locate the mobile device by hostname or MAC address. This unique MAC is what you will block. Make sure you note exact MAC format. A single character error will fail the block. Once done locating the MAC, navigate to Access Control, MAC Filtering, or Parental Controls. Menu names vary by firmware. Choose Deny or Block List and add the MAC address exactly as shown in the client list. Formatting matters. You can select a schedule if you want time limits or set it permanent. Hit Apply or Save, then confirm the router accepted the entry. This blocks the device at the network level, so it can no longer get an IP or access the internet through your Ptcl router. Finish by saving settings and rebooting the router. Then have the mobile forget the network and try to reconnect. This verifies the block. If the device still connects, check that the mobile isn't using MAC randomization. You must disable that in the phone's Wi-Fi settings because randomized MACs bypass filters. Also make sure the rule was added to the correct band 2, 4 or 5 GHz. If problems persist, update router firmware and retry adding the MAC. One solid troubleshooting tip. Always confirm the MAC from the DHCP list after reboot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.